Hello and welcome back to the Home Suite video tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn how to add leads to shared campaign groups. The shared group structure was created for two reasons: to ensure your leads always have fresh content each month, and to minimize the amount of work you have to do to give it to them. Let's begin on the CRM dashboard. Click the hamburger menu in the upper right corner and then click the CRM icon. When the page loads, the first thing you'll want to do is click Groups on the left navigation bar. The Groups page displays all of the groups you've created, as well as company-created groups which have been shared with you, such as the monthly e-newsletter and the general monthly drip campaign. It's these two groups that will be the focus of this lesson. When you add your leads to these groups, they will automatically start receiving monthly email messages without you having to do anything else. The first thing you might notice is that these groups already have leads in them, and the number of leads doesn't match how many leads you have in your CRM. That's because these are shared groups and contain leads from agents across the company. So, let's add leads from your CRM into these groups. To do that, just click Leads on the left navigation bar. While you can pick and choose leads to add one at a time, we recommend just adding all of your leads at once. You'll learn how to remove individual leads should you need to a little later in this video. To add all your leads, click the action icon. That's the one with the check mark in a circle. Now click the All Leads icon, then click Group. The list of groups will appear on the right. Select the two shared groups labeled e-newsletter and general monthly drip, and then click Add to Group. The green bar at the top of the page will confirm that your leads have been added to both shared groups. As mentioned earlier, you can remove leads from these groups to stop them from receiving these campaigns. To do that, search for the lead you want to remove from the group and click on it. When their page loads, click on the Edit Pencil icon. When the Edit page loads, scroll to the bottom and look for the Group section. Click on the X next to the group you want to remove your lead from and click Save. Once again, the green banner at the top confirms that you have successfully removed your lead from the group. That's everything you need to know about adding your leads to shared groups in the CRM. If you have any questions, please contact HomeSuite at kansascityhomes.com. Thanks for watching.